Hello and welcome to SKTV. This is Primetime English News, and as usual, the headlines first. BJP municipal councillors begin resigning due to dissatisfaction over BJP central leaders' inaction on Manipur conflict. Thadaw NP Manipur and Meitei Alliance urge centre to delete any Kuki tribe from scheduled tribe list of Manipur. Government offices in Naga areas shut as Ansam launches 5-day picketing protest against FMR scrapping and border fencing. Kurai MLA Leshangthem Sushindro blames Forest Department for flood in Kurai constituency, accuses lack of mitigation work in hilly region. Manipur hockey joins the observance of International Olympic Day, marking the birth of the modern Olympic Games. And Manipur's judoka Lidthoi Chanambam scripts history, bags gold in Berlin Junior European Cup 2025. Manipur governor hails Manipur judoka's remarkable success. And now the news in detail. In what could be termed as an implication of waning BJP's influence in Manipur, a councillor of Kachin Khunau Municipal Council has today tendered his resignation from the party, citing dissatisfaction over the role of central party leaders in handling the ongoing crisis in the state. Addressing a press meet held today at his residence at Kachin Khunau, councillor of Kachin Khunau Municipal Council Ward Number 7, Angom Bimol Chan, announced his resignation from BJP. Speaking further, he criticized the attitude of the BJP leaders towards the crisis in the state, which claimed hundreds of lives and forced thousands of displaced people languishing in relief camps. While accusing Prime Minister Modi of refusing to visit the state even once, despite the people suffering untold miseries for more than 2 years, Bimol Chand expressed disappointment over Union Home Minister Amit Shah's failure to revisit the state, notwithstanding his assurance given in his initial visit to return in the state after 15 days. The councillor added that such insincere approaches and abject failures of BJP central leaders in handling the Manipur crisis have compelled him to resign from the party.
BJP party resign BJP resign Manipur Asukwana, Laiba Fiba Masida, Central leaders in the Manipur, the Yeniba Fiba Masi, Yemoganda, Manipur, the Labor, Prazamicum, Hiromi Singse, Marufana, Mutkibaya, missing the Variat, Obama, BJP party, Chana, resigned to Javani, Manipur, Yelomi, Kanopanabada, Tandu Laita, Gome, Namalino Panabada, BJP have a party, they put Hadana, Anuba Manipur, Kanvaya party, same Daka Lay and Yam, who looks at
Meitei Alliance and Thadaw NP Manipur have submitted a memorandum to the Ministry of Tribal Affairs demanding immediate deletion of any Kuki tribes or AKT from the scheduled tribe list of Manipur. The groups argue that the inclusion of AKT is unconstitutional, ethnographically invalid, and poses a serious threat to the identity and rights of existing recognized communities in the state. The memorandum highlighted that the government of Manipur had earlier recommended deletion of AKT with cabinet decisions taken in October 2018 and January 2023, followed by formal letter to the centre in February last year. According to the groups, the category any Kuki tribes was inserted into the ST list in 2003, allegedly through politically motivated means. They claim that it has no distinct cultural, linguistic or ethnographic basis and duplicates existing recognized tribes like the Thadaw. The groups have further warned that retaining AKT could lead to identity fraud and community fragmentation, urging the centre to take immediate corrective action. Government offices across Naga-inhabited hill districts of Manipur remained non-functional today, marking the first day of a 5-day office picketing protest launched by the All Naga Students Association Manipur Ansam, which is being initiated in strong opposition to the scrapping of the Free Movement Regime (FMR) and the ongoing construction of border fencing along the Indo-Myanmar border. According to Ansam volunteers, the protest witnessed a widespread response, with government establishments in Senapati, Ukhrul, Tamenglong, Chandel and Kangpopi districts wearing a deserted look. The agitation was initiated under the leadership of the Senapati District Students Association (SDSA). Ansam further warned that any unrest or adverse incidents arising during the course of the protest would be the responsibility of both the central and state governments. The association maintained that the protest is being conducted in a peaceful and disciplined manner. The agitation will continue till June 27th. Khurai MLA Leshangthem Susindro has blamed the Forest Department for flood in his constituency. The MLA has maintained that Forest Department's lack of mitigation steps and inaction against deforestation and poppy plantation in hilly region resulted to flood. MLA Susindro also cited non-cooperation on the part of Forest Department in providing mud from hills to fix vulnerable riverbanks. MLA Susindro also, speaking on the sidelines of handing over 2 new houses which were constructed after they were washed away by the flood water, maintained that the remaining houses will be constructed at the earliest. MLA Susindro expressed concern over possibility of yet another riverbank breach in his constituency, as Forest Department is yet to act on the request for material to fix the vulnerable riverbanks.
yang wana hei ising chaw de yum kai leitatna leigiba sing do mkhoi khallaga masigi hariba yum masi sajabani kulabna nipan chagada manungda tarukti almost 90% completed oire ani mawali basigi len gi kitang amba leibado moi ngarang unare yanare ado hoje moi ani du su amuk yam athu matam da saba horani na masin tangai tlaukhochari aduga yumbu jigidi pochei yam kana mangbo ge rum leidi aduga atei pua
Linthoi Chanambam scripted history at the Berlin Junior European Cup 2025, becoming the first Indian judoka to win gold at the prestigious tournament. The 18-year-old judoka from Manipur won the gold in 63 kg category, competing against 618 athletes from 37 countries. Linthoi delivered a standout performance for Team Inspire Institute of Sport, outsmarting her opponents including top-seeded Polish judoka. Linthoi's success in Berlin adds to her list of success, including gold medals at the 2022 Asian Cadet and Junior Championships in Bangkok. She first rose to national prominence with titles at the 2018 Sub-Junior Nationals and the 2021 Senior Nationals in Chandigarh. Linthoi Chanambam hails from Imphal and has been training under Georgian coach Mamuka Kizilashvili since 2017. Meanwhile, Manipur Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla and former Chief Minister N. Biren have congratulated Linthoi Chanambam on her success in Berlin Junior European Cup 2025. Governor, in a post on X, wrote that the achievement will inspire many more young sportspersons of Manipur to excel on a global stage. On the other hand, N. Biren asserted that the remarkable achievement has once again brought immense pride and joy to Manipur and entire nation. Manipur Hockey joined the worldwide observation of International Olympic Day today at Kumalampak Hockey Stadium to commemorate the founding of modern Olympic Games, which were first organized in France on June 23, 1894. The observance was attended by Bishnupur MLA Govindas Konthokjam, Wangkhe MLA TH Arun Kumar, Manipur Hockey Lifetime President KSH Thoiba, former Hockey India President and Manipur Hockey Advisor Khoirom Loyalakpa, 33 Assam Rifles CEO Radhakrishna and Imphal East SP Rakesh Palwal. Addressing the observance, MLA Govindas Konthokjam highlighted that Manipur holds the distinction of being the only state in India to have produced 7 hockey Olympians. He added that despite limited infrastructure, athletes from the state have demonstrated exceptional talent and resilience transforming Manipur into the sports powerhouse of the nation.
अखोइना यामना विविध ओइबा मिन हेक उबा एग्जांपल खरंग असे अखोइना उजै लेट अस मूव हाइबसि लोंग असुक यामना कल्लगसु the rain cannot stop the spirit of our players. They keep on moving on the field. Field the thok sanaba se masina khwaidagi hena maru oiba min heck uba example lamana naida lawjaninge let us move haibasi amna artha leiba sumnagi akhoi haksang sinataba community su bum tok se haba adige akhoi gi heart akhoi gi soul kadai de move togani haiba matamda amato oibagi wakhalonda Olympic पांथोइबसि सुपनगे आइगी टैलेंट उननबा आइगी स्पोर्ट्समैनशिप सिंगु उननबगी नतबा कंट्री अमगा अमगा कम्युनिटी अमगा अमगा यामना थापना लेनबा सिंग याव मगनि मखोइ सिंग अदो अमुक हेना नक्सिन ननबा पांबय अमा ओइना अयामबदा सिजिनबा गहाकनी.
District Olympic Association Thoubal also observed Olympic Day at its multi-purpose indoor stadium located at Thoubal Khetrilekai Hautabi today under the theme Move, Learn, Discover Together for a Better World. During the observance, District Youth Affairs and Sports Officer Deven Moirangthem hoisted the flag of DOA Thoubal as a mark of respect. Addressing the observance, DOA General Secretary M. Madhusudan stated that the event was organized with the aim to steer youth away from drug use by encouraging their participation in sports, thereby contributing to the creation of a better society.
Olympic Day की observation तोबा, then Players Day Sanarashu की नबी observe तोबा, Sisu Directorate of Youth Affairs and Sports AID headquarter ओलिबा Manipur तक पंचों दुबो लाइक फबमना Olympic Day हाइबसे Olympic Association of Manipur से MOE हाइबसे registration थंगबा body मनी मधु के हेक next district लाग the oldest District Level Olympic Association से कोई थवाल के नहीं अदोगा इरोइन ना नसी अमुका Olympic Day की observation में तो भी बसे सीधे सिंगी रही बा Olympic Association की सनाव से office bearer से बसवी हानमत दाई थाबित चरी.
Manipur reported 13 new COVID-19 cases today, taking the total infected number in the state to 158. An official update issued today informed that 9 new cases were found in Imphal West District, while 4 cases were detected in Imphal East District. Meanwhile, 7 persons were discharged today. At present, there are 138 active cases in the state, as a total of 20 patients were discharged since June 1st, 2025. Manipur's Department of Horticulture and Soil Conservation MIDH mission and the Manipur State Horticulture Mission have bagged top prize for excellent promotion of horticulture products in the International Agriculture, Horti and Organic Expo 2025, which was organized by Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare Government of India at Pragati Maidan in New Delhi. The Manipur delegation was led by Mission Director of MIDH Chungong Pamil, Assistant Agriculture Officer MIDH Deepak Huidrom, Assistant Horticulture Inspector Laishram Priyokumar Singh. They were accompanied by horticulture entrepreneurs Khayon Shang of Ngayam Foods, Ukhrul, R.K. Binita Devi of Binita Mushroom, Moirang Kampu, Imphal East. Their stalls showcased locally sourced organic products reflecting the untapped potential of Northeast India in organic sustainable agriculture. The 3-day expo provided a vibrant platform for knowledge exchange, innovation and collaboration, reinforcing the role of horticulture in shaping India's agricultural future. Department of Hindi and IQAC cell of Skula Women's College Nambol in collaboration with Kendriya Hindi Sansthan began its 10-day Hindi Bhasha Sanchetna Shivir Pathakram from today. The opening function took place at the college's conference hall and was graced by several esteemed guests, including Regional Director of Kendriya Hindi Sansthan Dimapur, Dr. Thunboi, Skula Women's College Principal Dr. R.K. Lokendra, Controller of Examination S. Chandrakumar and IQAC Coordinator Dr. S. Subhashandra. Speaking at the inaugural function, Head of Hindi Department Dr. A. Sundar stated that Hindi, Marathi and Sanskrit are official languages of the country, as they all use the Devanagari script, the most used script across India. He added that students can now learn Bharatiya Gyan Parampara along with the country's festivals and cultural heritage.
देवनागरी लिपि भारत में सबसे ज्यादा प्रयोग किए जाने वाले लिपि है। जैसे महाराष्ट्र की भाषा मराठी है, मराठी भाषा की लिपि देवनागरी लिपि है। और संसार की सबसे पुरानी भाषाओं में से संस्कृत भाषा की लिपि भी देवनागरी लिपि है। देवनागरी लिपि सिर्फ भारत में ही नहीं, भारत के अन्य देशों में भी देवनागरी लिपि का प्रयोग किया जाता है, इस्तेमाल किया जाता है। इसीलिए भारत सरकार ने हमारे भारत की जो राष्ट्र लिपि जो है देवनागरी लिपि को ही चुना गया है।
Assam Congress leader Dr. Maimom Shanti Kumar has felicitated Tripura Assembly Legislature MLA Birijit Singha at his residence today. Both leaders talked about the upcoming 2026 Assam Legislative Assembly election. MLA Birijit Singha also assured to provide aid in any form to elect a Meitei representative in Assam Legislative Assembly. Dr. Shanti Kumar presented a book written by Maimom Angauton Natbhushan to MLA Birijit Singha. The interaction was also attended by Manipuri Sahitya Parishad Tripura President L. Biramangal and Advisor W. Biramangal. Joint Action Committee JAC against killing of Chesam Abdul Qadir has agreed to claim the body of Chesam Abdul Qadir following the arrest of accused Longjam Khaba by police yesterday. In a video release, JAC has agreed to take the mortal remains of victim and informed to carry out the last rites at 5 p.m. tomorrow at Paubitek Polo Ground. The JAC also resolved to withdraw its agitation while warning to resume the agitation in case there are any loopholes during the investigation. United Women's Development Organization UWDO Bishnupur district is set to launch a drive targeting the sale of intoxicants at roadside shops along the Phubala to Sendra road of Moirang. Speaking at a press conference held today at the UWDO office in Ningthokong, Secretary R.K. Tombisana expressed concerns that Sendra continues to draw large crowds daily, particularly intoxicated youths, as if the ongoing 2-year-long conflict has already been resolved. She further noted that these youths frequently cause disturbances on their return from Sendra with a noticeable rise in accidents. R.K. Tombi further announced that UWDO members will soon launch an inspection drive to identify shops selling intoxicants along Phubala to Sendra road. She warned that legal action will be taken against any establishments found violating the law and urged the district DC and SP to look into the matter.
Atat akham leitana hanagi nungairingai matam isuoina leiringai matam da excursion adu asiena silambado adugumna lalachi kauphoklaga hauji leptana gari da china chaina bangamdaba makai samsit birakli thogoga chi khana chaina ba crime yaurabani na mayai karba chinja yaurabra haibagi chingnabado aikoina pokle AP high school dagi na Phubala machin phawda yo aikogi haira chingna zombiri ba imai beni cha singa sigi maraktasu atingba haiba ma yauribasi Kudakta lebaningi Jungi tang kuntra phawagi manungda yo lamba saramba thaglamba leiramliba potsing adu losindiu aduga tang amadagi di akoi rotation naina haiba Bisengpur district asida mayai kaba chinja kari kari yaurabano khana chainaba crime mayam ama thoglakliba se haibagi akoi yinsinbado drive hogjarage aduga koina hansang laphokchariba asida aki akhang tujungba pokpagi mahuta away na lam hen tu hen na yo lamba thengnaragadi madu aim yo waiba matik chaba dandi hangan na bagi damota sumiyam da khangan jari.
Locals of Kaikhu Muslim Maninglekai today staged a sit-in at the locality demanding to book the individuals involved in the murder of Seema Sahni, who was found dead with slit throat on her bed yesterday. During the protest, protesters used several placards denouncing the murder. Speaking on the sideline, convener of the JAC formed in connection with the incident, S.K. Malik, strongly condemned the incident, calling it inhuman. He further expressed suspicion of the involvement of Seema Sahni's husband, Mujibur Rahman, who is still at large in the murder. While demanding the authorities concerned to arrest individuals involved in the crime within 48 hours, the JSE convener added that they will not claim the dead body of Seema Sahani unless the demand has been fulfilled.
Chaliba Sigi, Hauki Tang Kumaki, Ahing Yaida, Lakum Sima Sahanibu, Masamaki, Yum Masamaki Kada, Masamaki Pamunda, Niakin Hatokium by the sea. The JSE, a city might take the Hangaric and a friend of one of the Kongari, Niaka City and Nariva Pudumaku, the Sarkari Ladiva, Madina Nava, Authoritina, Maraleva Pudumaku, Atu Matanda, Agatiduna, Atisaba Dandi. The Tabani, I would say to Yahan Bagi, Sigi Pandamne, Loina Sigumba, Mihata Simatung, Tarukana Bagidamak, Tungi Mirona, Sigmutaka, Tawia de, Ivakana Bagidamak, Laiva, Levaga Sigi Lobu, Sapsana Season Viduna, Sarkana, Matusaba Dandi, Ihan Sea, I would say to the Sigmate, the Gate, Man, Tangana, Ihan Bagidamak, one in the sea.
Women folk of Norem Thong DIC Road today staged a sit-in against the bomb blast in the locality yesterday. During the protest, protesters carried placards with messages such as "We condemn the bomb attack on women" and "We condemn bomb blasts in public places." Uripok Apun Banupilu President Gurumayum Dayabati strongly condemned the incident, calling it a cowardly act of targeting Manipuri women who have been at the forefront on social causes, including the ongoing crisis in the state. She appealed to all concerned to ensure such incidents do not repeat. Another protester named Hirem Priyeshwari expressed concerns that there could have been many casualties if the blast had occurred when there were women at the site. She emphasized that women of Norem Thong have not done anything wrong or unjust to anyone.
Tang Kungani Toy no my thing limit Nuntinda, Equina, Pamzeriba, Pom Simakada, Yamna Tamtiraba, Awongi Bomb, Bokairapa, Asigumba, Yamna Aki, Ningai over Masak, Mi Shokayaba, Panbayaba, Sibayaba, Asigumbasi, Eco Yamera Simakada, Torumbasi, Eco Yazading there, Aduga Sigumba, Tabaka City, Amukanasu, Towiganu, Sama City Oiba, Aduga Lepak City Oiba, Kalibumba issue of my Lakomatanda, so Toxadana, one of one Zeriba, Ukina Toreba lands, the Williams, teaching Hanguna Toreba, Siguma, Kumasida, Sigumba, Mi Shokayaba, Panbayaba, Sibayaba, eating I Oiba, Sigumba Potia, Matunda, Amukana, Siguma, the Kambira, Pakai, and Manasinga, the one began to have a say a Koi Kamzeri.
Lena Burfai ki Mera Babigi, Changa, Koi Narang, Boma Tamdela, Bukan Baze, Koi Yaninde Habadi, Nasibo Manunga, Hoina, Lebaki, Tabak, Buram Gada, Manjin Taraga, Tulai, Yaus Yauri, Bungana, the Bacana, so quick later the day, Karakum, so quick, Karikum, Hajar, Bushula, the day, Aduga, Quiki, Mera, Sang Asida, Boma Tamdela Maga, Adi Tamdela Maga, Manapukan Babase, Quiki, Samagi, Mera Babi, Imagine, like a gentle when in a Kali. I see a 2 Matanda Canada, the Wino Habadu, Hangan Biro, Yarimaki, Zuma Kaboke, the Wiganwana, Marina, Singa, Hajeri.
And it's time for a short break. We'll be right back. Keep watching SKTV.
Hi everyone, Northeast Ahan Boyna Pangtok Jagadoriba Innotech Face Aina Mingthonjaba Innovative and Technical Festival asi Lakliba July gi date 18 dagi haujaraga July gi date 20 2025 fauba numit humni chukna Pangtok Jagadori. The event is organized by Science and Technology Department, Government of Manipur. Knowledge partner na MTI Hub amadi co-sponsor na Aksar Academy ni. Tawzagadori from Sina Manipur Science Center Takelpat Imphal Dani. They are inviting innovators, students, startups and existing business to participate in the Innovative Idea Challenge and Exhibition Store. See the Natana Atopo events, creative robot design, spot painting competition, science demonstration, IPR workshop and magic show mayam amasu yauri. Thohanjariba QR code asida scan tawbiraga form thazin biba yaragani. Natragana pizariba website asida su form thazin bayagani. Form thazin bigi last date July gi date 10 2025. Aduna interest lairagadi athubada form thazin bihoro. Hen akupamoro khangbining bagi damakta aina pizariba number sida adum contact option biro. Manipur bu innovation gi lamda malim gi thakta pukhatna bohotna bada mayam sur yabi.
whiteboard pati oibe idea amne ba app am saraba app sidane school college singji form fill ki exact amount sing se thoedana du ni chatra sing jena mama pa de scheme to yadri dana du app season of the coin charges se lo as funding ek angmagane si app se sardam ni ba ojike du innovative idea startup product or prototype lega di innotech face ya solo note iski ihan hanoin sen mani aduga total cash price 1 lakh ne adu award mayam amasu yauriko. From July date 18 naina date 24 for 3 days. Science and Technology Department Government of Manipur ni event as organized tawani. Event tawadaba mafam sina Manipur Science Center ta elpa taino sargam lang. Innovative idea challenge na taw exhibition stall hana som yauriko sida innovators students startup the existing business owners sing si loina mo yaw yai. Sina ta top events creative robot design spot painting competition science demonstration IPR workshop and magic show mayam amasu yauri. So sidai sida piriba QR code se scan torga dum online registration to bibe yare and last date of registration se July ki date 10 oigani and for more info sigi phone number sida hekta call torsun.
I come from Ukrul, a small town in Manipur. While growing up, I didn't always see how my voice could shape decision. But I've learned something important. Every vote counts. And it begins with your name on the electoral roll. If you are turning 18 on or before the 1st of July, it's your time. It's your right. Register to vote. Don't wait to be told. Don't let others decide for you. Wherever you are from, your voice matters. Get registered as a voter and be counted. Count me in.
Welcome back, and in further news, as part of Nasha Mukt Bharat Abhiyan campaign, District Administration Bishnupur, Social Welfare Office Bishnupur and Manipur Institute of Health and Social Development jointly organized an awareness cum sensitization program on drug abuse under Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment at Laimaram Community Hall today. Speaking on the sideline, social activist KH Jibon asserted that the program was organized with the aim to alleviate the woes of IDPs in the relief camps. District Social Welfare Officer Nikita Thangjam, on the other hand, emphasized the importance of creating mass awareness about drug abuse in addressing the menace. Later, new DC of Bishnupur Puja Ilangbam also interacted with inmates of the relief camps opened at SC Girls Hostel Laimaram and Laimaram High School.
IDP singa laiba camp singse yamna matik chadabnina masida thorokpa ana ayeki problem aduga chaba thakpagi karigi atopa government budi mateng pangbiri adu atopa side gi ju livelihood mission da karamai toraga mayam se hingmada khitang kom na hingmi yagadage habdo adui matang ni maruina koinga si thamjai program se samukta bharat aina abhiyan aina amasu program am su yauri masida khoigi inmate sing adegi lairiba emram gi khungi praja sing sigi marakta nauna nisa chakhalakpa nahaoriba youth sing da awareness pidana sigi program am su yaubidana sigi awareness ju tahoba
Laimaram relief camp da lairiba IDPs mayam da nishana piriba chaitheng se mayam se khanghanba amasung drug ki kamaina avoid tongni haiba aduga self motivation program adu mari lainana sinjaban.
Month-long observance of World Hypertension Day 2025, organized by State NCD Division in collaboration with National Health Mission Manipur, concluded today. The observance began on May 17th under the theme, Measure Your Blood Pressure Accurately, Control It, Live Longer. During the closing program, the All India Radio team was acknowledged for their active participation in spreading awareness about hypertension throughout the observance period. It was attended by Director of Health Services Dr. Chambo Gonmai, Director of Family Welfare Dr. N. Hemant Kumar, and State Health Society NHM Mission Director Dr. M. Dinesh. Addressing the event, Dr. Chambo Gonmai highlighted that smoking significantly increases the risk of developing high blood pressure and hypertension. He further noted that given today's lifestyle and stress levels, it can be assumed that many individuals are already affected. He urged the public to undergo regular medical checkups as a preventive measure against hypertension.
The habits of smoking things and all, also it really causes this increase in the blood pressure. In order to beat the obesity, we already had a walkathon, and this obesity is one of the main factor that causes increase in the blood pressure, causing hypertension and other complications. like even it can affect the kidneys, the heart, we can have stroke and all like that. And then we need to change particularly our lifestyles by emulating all kinds of good ways like consumption of good diets and taking low salt, and then do away with all kinds of bad habits, maintain the health and take organic foods.
Manipur Fire Service Department has begun its 3-day-long 5th Basic Fire and Life Safety Training Program at its headquarters located near Polo Ground from today. It was designed to educate staff on effective fire prevention strategies that minimize the risk of collateral damage in hospitals and nursing homes. The opening function was graced by RIMS Director Professor G. Sunil Kumar, Joint Secretary Home Dr. Mayengbam Vito, Director of Health Service Manipur Dr. Chambo Gonmai and Fire Service Director L. Nabachandra. Speaking at the opening ceremony, Dr. Chambo Gonmai stressed the importance of having the appropriate authorities inspect fire safety measures across nursing homes established in the state. The event was attended by approximately 53 trainees, including doctors, nurses and staff from 26 different hospitals of the state.
And I really appreciate that our state have come out in a very advanced way of even construction of and the designs of the buildings for fire safety, and not only the fire safety, even earthquake proof and things like that for any disasters. So any nursing homes which they are doing it, and also the government hospitals and all like that, whatever it is, all the institutions need to have fire safety equipment so that we can save the people those people admitted in the hospitals.
Tribal Youth Council Manipur has raised serious objections against recruitment notification issued by Manipur Public Service Commission. The youth body has demanded that at least one post of Development Officer DIC be reserved for scheduled tribe candidates, and that age relaxation benefits be extended to them for all advertised posts. The controversy stems from advertisement issued by MPSC on June 17, 2025, inviting applications for 18 contractual posts in the Directorate of Trade, Commerce and Industries. Among these, 3 posts of Development Officer DIC have been listed as unreserved. But TYCM says this is a clear violation of existing government order and referred to order issued on 14th November 2014, which clearly mandates that if only 3 posts are available in a service, the 3rd post must be reserved for scheduled tribes. In addition, TYCM highlighted the age relaxation issue, stating that scheduled tribe candidates are entitled to 5 years of age relaxation regardless of whether the posts are reserved or not. Currently, the MPSC advertisement grants age relaxation only for the post of Extension Officer IND, leaving ST candidates at disadvantage for the remaining posts. TYCM has also submitted a formal representation to the chairman of MPSC on June 23rd, urging the commission to rectify the alleged violation, reserve one post for ST and grant age relaxation to ST candidates for all the posts. And in some sports news, Ambedkar Lakpam, Ria Haikam and Lanchenba of Manipur have advanced to semi-finals of their respective category in the ongoing 6th Junior Boys and Girls National Boxing Championship 2025. The championship is being organized at Sai NBA Rohtak in Haryana under the Aegis of Boxing Federation of India from June 18th. Ambedkar Lakpam defeated Vivek Kesarwani of Uttar Pradesh 5-0 in boys 48 kg category quarter-final bout, while Ria Haikam defeated Ayushi Dubey of Jharkhand by 5-0 again in girls 50 kg category. Lanchenba also defeated his rival Sagar Rai of Arunachal Pradesh by 5-0 in boys 50 kg quarter-final bout. In the remaining boys quarter-final bouts, Salam Diamond, Albatsan Kom, Kundombam Lanchenba and Mahesh Leimopokpam are set to face their respective challenges in their categories. And on the girls' side, Lamamailu Gangmai, Maria Pame, Longzam Radhamani, Artina Naurem and Daina Thogdam will compete against their opponents in the quarterfinals of their respective categories. SC Samurao Naurem Chaprao has sealed the champions title of first MPC Trophy 2025 by defeating Wangoi FC 1-0 in the final match. A Ningthoba scored the winning goal in the 58th minute of the final match played yesterday at the Multipurpose Club's playground in Yangthang. YSC received a trophy and a cash prize of 1 lakh rupees for their victory, while the runners-up Wangoi FC won a trophy and 50,000 rupees. ID Football Academy, which secured third place, was also awarded a trophy and 20,000 rupees. Bipin of Wangoi FC, Premzit of ID Football Academy and Paikhomba of Heloi FC Nambol, who scored 5 goals each in the tournament, shared the award for top scorer. Robin Athokpam, Kenner and A Ningthoba of YSC won the best defender, best goalkeeper and best player of the tournament respectively, while the best disciplined player was bestowed upon Wangoi FC's Angogsana. Ibutuan FC also received the Best Discipline Team Award. Manipur Legislative Assembly Speaker T.H. Satyabrata, who graced the closing ceremony as chief guest, praised the players for their team spirit and sportsmanship.
산업이지만 머니벌나 야암나 파지아보모다 아동어동게 해시 인베스티어진도 보통기르가 산업이 보마담다 시니어 콜리에 가는 방앙신 풋볼 반정은 마양시나 아동게 해시 이렇게 아주 뭐가 아동 테크닉이 아주 뭐라간다 해나 보이나 산업이 파워포 아무소 뭐콜고 산업을 뭐이나 이칼라도 뭐 하나로기 과다 뭐 로이 아두나 시금바 마색카데라바 Lampasi Sanego gave a season a hand of Gosmaina, whatever we put in a parade, Jakarta, Manipuri, Jaraka, and this Hanan, Hawaii Hapa, Honda Hapa, or the Sumo from the bottom.
Manipur State Kabaddi Association MSKA will be organizing 22-day non-residential coaching program at each district with the aim to promote and develop young Kabaddi players from rural and urban areas. MSKA will also provide coaching allowance to 35 players along with remuneration for one coach. In a press note, General Secretary of Manipur State Kabaddi Association T.H. Motilal urged desirous District Kabaddi Association to submit application to MSKA on or before June 30th. And in today's weather report, according to ICAR Regional Center Imphal, state's maximum temperature was recorded at 25.2 degrees Celsius, while the minimum temperature was 22 degrees Celsius. The maximum relative humidity was measured to be 92% in the morning and 93% in the evening. The state received 28.7 millimeters of rainfall in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, Meteorological Center Imphal has issued yellow alert for Imphal East, Imphal West, Ferrol, None, Tamenglong, Kangpokpi, Senapati, Ukhrul and Kamjong districts today with the forecast of heavy rainfall accompanied with thunderstorm and lightning. The yellow alert will continue to persist till tomorrow at Ferrol, None, Tamenglong, Kangpokpi, Senapati, Ukhrul and Kamjong districts with possibility of heavy rainfall in these districts tomorrow. And that's all we have for now, but before we end, here are the headlines once again. BJP municipal councillors begin resigning due to dissatisfaction over BJP central leaders' inaction on Manipur conflict. Khadau NP Manipur and Meitei Alliance urge centre to delete any Kuki tribe from scheduled tribe list of Manipur. Government offices in Naga areas shut as Ansam launches 5-day picketing protest against FMR scrapping and border fencing. Kurai MLA Leishangthem Susendro blames Forest Department for flood in Kurai constituency, accuses lack of mitigation work in the hilly region. Manipur hockey joins the observance of International Olympic Day, marking the birth of modern Olympic Games. And Manipur's judoka Linthoi Chanambam scripts history, bags gold in Berlin Junior European Cup 2025. Manipur Governor hails Manipur judoka's remarkable success. Coming up next is Primetime Manipuri News presented by Sanatombi. Stay tuned.